This is one that we see happen from time to time. It's a little bit rare, but cars crash into houses and can cause injuries. Sometimes those are significant injuries. If the person, obviously, if a car is in your living room and you're sitting in your living room, that can result in serious injury or death. Other times, the injuries are less significant. Sometimes we've had people who have, say, fallen out of bed as their house has been hit and gotten hurt. Other times, it's just incredibly traumatizing to have a car drive through your house. I mean, our houses, that's our safe spot. A house is like a castle. And when you have somebody who violates that by driving a vehicle in, it shatters our, safety. It really shatters our perception that we are safe in our house. And so we can see a lot of PTSD following cars crashing into houses. And for PTSD, many of our clients may consider something called EMDR, which we have a video that we will link to below, which is something that really the Department of Defense has used for soldiers returning from war to help them deal with post-traumatic stress syndrome. And you can imagine, I mean, a car, driving through your house, again, that's going to make a loud noise. There's going to be a crash. There's going to be damage. It's going to be really scary. So, PTSD is very common in these claims. And so we see a whole bunch of different kinds of injuries as a result of these things happening. And, people often ask, like, is there insurance for this? Is it my homeowner's? Well, the other person's car insurance is at play here because they were negligent. I mean, cars don't just drive into houses without somebody, not following the rules of the road, not operating their vehicle properly, not keeping a proper lookout. Sometimes there's drugs or alcohol involved in that kind of crash. So that person's auto insurance is going to be at play. And if you're in that house and you're injured, you have a claim against their auto insurance, much the same way if you were in a car accident. So we've handled these claims in the past. They don't happen all the time, but when they happen, they really tend to impact somebody significantly because a family suddenly spending a lot of time in a hotel. Maybe they can't work. Maybe their house has to be rebuilt. So it's a major life event, and we're here to help. If you or a loved one has gone through this, don't hesitate to reach out. 877-CTF-WINS or 860-471-8333.